How to see view from seat on Ticketmaster. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to see view from your seat on Ticketmaster. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Ticketmaster website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, Ticketmaster is one of the best American ticket sales and distribution company where you can buy tickets from different tours and concert if you want. So if you want to log in on their website, you can just click right here on the top right corner. There will be a login button there, and you can use your Gmail if you want. So for example, you want to buy tickets of a concert. So for example, right here, the 1975 concert, I can click that and it will show me a bunch of upcoming and incoming concerts of the 1975 band. So for example, I click this concert right here, November 22. And as you can see, if I click that, you will see right here that you will have the full view of the venue that they will be using, so that you will have an idea where to sit and where is the best location to sit. So yeah, and every seat has a different price because of their place. If you're closer to the stage, then yeah, the price is higher. So for example, I'm just going to set the tickets to two-seated tickets. So as you can see, after I did that, it will show me all the sections of the two-seated tickets. And for example, right here, this section 228, and it also show what row will be my seat be located. So it's in row 3, so this is the only tickets available. So if you already choose your tickets and your favorite seat, you can just click them and buy the tickets. So after you click next, it will redirect you to the payment section where you can order your seat, and that's it. It's really helpful because you can see where your seat will be located when buying your tickets, right? So yeah, you will have an idea what it looks like. So yeah, that's how you see view from your seat on Ticketmaster. And also that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.